welcome to Clary Studios. Today we're going to be reviewing this Simmons 8-inch memory mattress foam. Got this at Costco for just under 250 bucks and comes in a box. So we're going to open it up at home and see how it looks. And what's great about it is it fit right in the back of my hatchback. You don't have to put it on the roof of your car like in some other And it was pretty lightweight to get it up here into the bedroom. So let's open it up and see how it opens. Here's the muscles. Alright, so it came with a little cutting tool to cut along the side of the plastic so it's easier to open. All the air coming out of it. Up. So once you take it out of the plastic, it starts to blow up. You can see it's already started to inflate, so it already doubled in size. And I guess as we let it sit, it'll get larger. Just add air. And there it is, 8 inches as advertised. And it's blown up all the way. All right, Jay, we're going to jump on it and give the test.
It's a lot better than that air mattress.
It's better than the air mattress he's been using, he said. Alright, so what do you think, JR?
I'm gonna go to bed.
First impressions, good? Comfortable? Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Alright, now guess what you get to do?
What?
Make your bed.